It is known that no one invented a love potion, but sometimes you wish it existed. What if I told you that scientists have developed a method, following the rules of which you can make any person fall in love with you? What should to be done to attract the attention of a particular person? In general, this method is very simple and is based on simple psychological techniques that help literally take over the subconscious of the victim. And the most interesting thing is this strategy works 100%, and your main task is to alternate between the two phases, which I will tell you about in this video. So let's go our first phase, and let's call it feeding the victim. You need about 5 days. And if you are really interested in making a certain girl fall in love with you, then you will have to demonstrate your eloquent skills to the maximum, expressing admiration for the object of passion. Pay attention and note any successes of your goal, even minor ones. Flood her with compliments, but only those that really work for girls. If you don't know, then I recommend watching my video about compliments. So say in simple words, at first you simply reinforce her interest in you by behaving very predictably, consistently. You regularly appear, joke, smile, tell her something good, pleasant, and very freely express absolutely all your positive emotions. Joy, love, interest in her. This comes in the form of praise and by telling her something nice. And now you're having fun, it's good, and you've both already developed a conditioned reflex that you communicate well. And another component of the first stage is to be together as often as possible. And your task is to carefully consider how to ensure this. For example, if the girl you want to seduce is your colleague, contact with some work questions, offer to have lunch together. You can show concern. Find out if she needs your help. Bring coffee. Such signs of attention will definitely not go unnoticed and will make people think about you. If the victim is your neighbor, ask for a wine opener, for example, referring the fact that you cannot find yours. And in gratitude for the help provided, treat her to something. Invite her to your home for wine or to the nearest cafe. Yes, I almost forgot about an important detail. You need to look into her eyes as often as possible. You probably know that eye contact brings even strangers closer together. Your look should be confident, open, express calmness and interest in your interlocutor. Now let's move on to the second phase, distance. I'll give you an example of how the second phase works if you've just met. So, you meet a girl on the street, and you get to talking to her. You're having a nice conversation. She's cute and sweet. You treat her with compliments, you exchanged phone numbers, and you're in this high, you're talking to each other so cool, you've forgotten about everything. And then you say to her, oh my God, I gotta go, I can't stay any longer. And she's like, too bad. And you're like, hell yeah, I gotta go. And some other emotion comes up. At this moment, her dopamine praise receptors rest and she goes into a slight sadness and dejection. And at this moment you tell her, damn, I'm sorry, it was so great talking to you. And you just reinforce that powerful moment by saying, hell yeah, it was for me too. And after that you stand there for another 20 minutes talking and you can't leave. So this phase of distance, in practice, this phase should last no more than 5 days, like the first one. Here you have to stop contact in principle. Of course, you will also have to work hard emotionally, but imagine that the person does not exist or unfamiliar to you. When communicating, be cold, do not show any interest. If she asks you something, the answer should be as short as possible, as if you don't want to talk at all. If the victim will tell you something, answer with one-word answers, I see, okay, it happens. Now I'll tell you what this is for. As soon as you show coldness, then a person at a subconscious level will fix the belief that she is guilty, she has done something wrong and behaved incorrectly. In addition, she will not be able to understand what exactly happened and what is wrong, because you will not give her an answer, which will further strengthen the effect. As I said at the very beginning, we alternate between just 2 phases, and now, after moving away, we return to our first phase, feeding. After a few days of being ignored, you need to show that you are ready to communicate again. The mood is good, just like in the first phase. a smile on your face, joy in your eyes. Again, you show attention, and the victim again drowns in compliments and attention. She goes crazy with happiness when she realizes that everything is fine. Life has turned colors again. On a psychological level, when you make attention swings, they create stress because of the sudden change of negative and positive emotions. This is stored in the subconscious for a long time, and the person starts to depend on you. She wants to spend more time together, socialize as soon as the opportunity arises. To consolidate the effect, the stage of distance should be repeated. This makes your victim depressed, and you penetrate deeper and deeper into her subconscious. The sufferer cannot think about anything and no one but you. Life loses meaning. If you want to irrevocably fall in love with you, repeat the proven algorithm, and the results will not make you wait. Promise ruthless conquerors of hearts. But of course, I would not recommend going so deep, because the girl will really fall in love and the love will be as strong as possible. But here, of course, the disadvantage is that then this relationship will be just terrible, ugly, sick. And even if in this relationship love will be strong, you will not be able to move to another stage, where love is already accompanied by a higher level of harmony, receiving positive emotions, feeling of security, stability, and strong support. Because in this case, the person will love you very much, but it will be an insecure attachment. So this practice is good for flirting, and it's certainly an art. But I am most sure that you are on an intuitive level doing this. Just hold a more scientific approach.